Good afternoon, YouTube. I hope everybody's having a great day. Now, today's another sad day here in Washington. It's just the weather, it just sucks around here, man. I can't stand it, but you know, it is what it is. Today we're gonna be working on the El Camino, and I bought a few parts. If you believe it or not, all these parts right here, 50 bucks. Got both engine mounts. One of the headlights, low beams, is out, so I bought another one. Turn signals, transmission mount, light switch. This was given to me by the previous owner, so it was not included in that price, but all this stuff right here, 50 bucks. I mean, I could definitely get used to this right here. $50 for all of that. That's gonna get this car ready to go, so let's get on with it. Alright, so officially, one of the things I don't miss at all is having to jack up the car in order to work on it. Like, this sucks, but it is what it is, man. We're down here checking the motor mount. I don't know if you can see that, but that is dry rotted to shit. So that's going. While I'm down here and checking all these leaks and stuff, I still haven't seen a single drop on the floor, but obviously something's leaking down here. I have to clean these up one of these days and figure it out. Freaking massive starter. It's ridiculous. Yeah, something's leaking out here. Be replacing the transmission mount over there. I don't know if y'all can check that out right there. Also dry rotted. Stock cat. I'm gonna have to delete that. What do we got over here? Where's the other transmission mount? I mean, engine mount. And the other engine mount. Right there. Going to be getting replaced. Alright, so for this, first we're going to be separating the engine from the actual mount. So it's just that nut right there, which is I believe a 3/4. And then we're going to be doing that on both sides. And then we can unbolt the mounts from the frame right there. Those nuts right there are 15 millimeters. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, so after you get these bolts out of both motor mounts, you can go ahead and lift the engine. I don't know if y'all can see that. See how it's lifted right there? Separate it. And now I can go ahead and remove the motor mount. While I work on these parts, the girlfriend's out here hooking it up, cleaning the seats with the rod doctor. Doing work. Cleaning all that dog puke up. Get a better angle of that. Some action going on right now. Get it? Is it coming out? Gonna be some clean ass pillows. Alright, rant moment. The mount is finally off. This is freaking ridiculous. Like, they gave you this tiny ass hole right here, and not the good kind, to stick a wrench and hold on to the other side of the bolt so you can get those knots off on the top. And then there's one all the way on the other side, and then you gotta stick the wrench all the way in there to hold on to that one. And then the last one, the back one, you gotta get this motherfucker right here and stick it through the bottom to hold onto the bolt that goes on the bottom right there. Now, let me show you this side real quick. Right there. You see the hole where we gotta stick the wrench? There's a freaking hose going right through there. So that's even less room to stick this motherfucker in here and hold on to that bolt. Alright, I'll get back to this. So after multiple curse words and many thoughts about trading this thing for a damn first gen Cummins, the freaking motor mounts are out. The passenger side was a pain in the ass. This thing is gross. Thankfully shot, you can tell, super dry rotted. Honestly, I think they replaced the driver's side at some point because it's not as bad as the passenger. I think somebody bought the pair and then saw how difficult this one was and was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna replace this one. It's gonna be good with just one. But I was able to get it out after some trouble. But here we are. We'll slap these new ones in. And then go on, move on to the transmission now.
What's Spotty gotta do?
This fucking sucks. There we go. Hell yeah, first grab.
What's Spotty gotta do?
And that's how you do that. Alright, we got both of them in there. Both of the new ones in there nice and tight. Now we're just gonna go ahead and drop the engine back in place. Just drop it, just lower it back down. Show you this side real quick. See if we can get a shot at this. You can kind of see it there. Sorry, it's dark. But yeah, she's tight. Yep. Alright, so here's the transmission mount, or whatever's left of it. There's barely anything left here, but looks like we just gotta take these bolts out right here. This nut right here, and another bolt right here, and once you come out, be able to lift it up with a jack, slide a new one in, and tie it back down. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so here it is. Transmission mount finally out. A little bit of pain in the ass to get out because of the exhaust bracket that was on there pushing down, but not too bad, honestly. Here's the new one. Look at that right there. Looks really good. Yay, my hero! What do you have for me? She gave me some nuts?
I got you some nuts. I got you 2 nuts.
2 nuts? Alright. Let me see my nuts. Alright. See if they fit. Alright, so if you happen to be replacing the transmission mount on your El Camino and you get this part number right here from AutoZone, make sure you get a 7/16 by 14 nut because it does not come with one. Looks like I left some skin underneath the El Camino. Dang. No big deal. Alright, so the mounts are complete. Finally, got a couple battle scars. This thing was a pain in the butt, so I'm gonna save this stuff right here for a different date. Yeah, just spark plugs, the headlight and stuff, and the light switch. But I got the mounts done, that's all that matters. So thank you for sticking with me through this one. I hope you learned something. I'll learn not to fucking mess with El Caminos. Give this one a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Peace.